This week's map, we are looking at a road map, particularly the state of Wyoming, and using our legend to look specifically at the different highways and interstate highways that are available. If you take a second to look at our legend, you'll see that there is a bunch of information that we can find useful, particularly identifying the capital being the star, a dot representing a city. The dotted line is a state border, the gray line representing national park borders, and then we also have the interstate highway symbol, the U.S. highway symbol, and a highway exchange symbol. When using road maps, they allow us obviously to help us find directions in relation to other things that are around it. So our map this time, we are also going to be looking at reminding us on how to use the scale. Typically a scale, depending on the size of the map, a lot of times like a 2-inch would represent 100 miles on a lot of maps. Again, it depends on how big the map is and what the scale is. So when using the scale on this map, I'd recommend using a sheet of paper and putting a line on each side of the scale from 0 to 100. And then maybe stretching that to as far as 300 to 400 miles to help you when you have the scale questions when they come up. U.S. highways, as shown on the map, tell us that there is a type of freeway or national interstate system that connects these cities together. These interstates are labeled with numbers, as you can see. Interstate highways are part of the national network of connected roads. Interstates that go east and west have even numbers, and those that go north and south have odd numbers. Again, and you'll also notice these squares where these interstate highways meet other highways, or, as we mentioned earlier, exchanges. Use this map to help you find the different locations and directions that the questions require. Be sure to be specific in your responses, particularly during the essay questions, just to make sure that your point is clear on the directions or answers that you're trying to